to Kids Classic Racers, where classic cars battle for the win. Are you ready to race? Welcome to Kids Classic Racer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at our drivers.
I'm back and ready to take another easy win, 'cause, well, I'm the best. Are you ready to race? Hi everyone, I'm Wrench, and no one can stop the Green Machine.
So Sweet, do you have what it takes to win 3 in a row against Wrench today?
Well, I'm still Sweet, and I'm not losing to a grease monkey. You are my idol, Sweet, but it will be a sweet victory when I beat you on the track. Show me what you've got, kid. The Lamborghini was no match today for the American muscle. Unfortunately, the fame got to my head, and the better driver won today. I'll be back.
I gave it all the Green Machine had and won. Great race, Sweet, but I'm the champion now. Thank you for coming out.
I'm slick, and no one beats my style or my truck. Are you ready to race?